The next era of ultra-slim smartphones is coming, and Apple is about to make headlines with the iPhone 17 Air. Leaked images and hands-on comparisons suggest this model, rumored to launch late in 2025, will be the world's thinnest iPhone yet. But behind the glossy marketing and featherweight design, there's already a debate about whether going slimmer means making too many compromises. The iPhone 17 Air is being billed as Apple's answer to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, a razor-thin device that takes minimalism to the extreme. The latest leaks are already making the rounds online, with tech enthusiasts and leakers putting the new Air side by side with its likely predecessor, the iPhone 16 Plus. The result is exactly what Apple wanted, a profile so much slimmer you can spot the difference at a glance. But these early side-by-side shots tell a more nuanced story. While the iPhone 17 Air wins the thinness race hands down, its design choices come with inevitable sacrifices. For starters, even as the frame gets sleeker, the button layout, volume rocker, power, action button and camera control looks nearly identical to last year's model. It's a familiar feel, just in a much lighter package. However, one glaring trade-off stands out. Gone is the dual camera setup of the 16 Plus. Instead, the iPhone 17 Air makes do with a single rear camera. Not only that, but in the leaked comparisons, the camera hump is more prominent than ever. The lens ring juts out noticeably, a sign that slimming down the phone left nowhere else for the camera hardware to go. It's a compromise that could split opinions. Some might like the fuss-free look, but others will notice the protruding bump every time the phone is set on a table. The other major issue is battery life. Rumors suggest the iPhone 17 Air will pack an even smaller battery than the ultra-thin Samsung S25 Edge. That's the price of making a phone this thin. It simply can't fit as many milliampere hours inside. Early reports indicate that even Apple expects most users won't get a full day's battery on a single charge, a far cry from the all-day endurance that's become a selling point in recent years. To tackle this, Apple is reportedly preparing a custom iPhone 17 Air battery case. This accessory is designed to boost the phone's endurance for those who need more power on the go. But here's the irony: add the battery case, and the phone is no longer ultra-thin. The case will restore some bulk and weight, which inevitably means the Air loses its main bragging point. In essence, it's a choice: go slim and light, or go practical and add the case. For users, the iPhone 17 Air is shaping up as a striking statement of design, but also a reminder that in tech, every decision comes with a trade-off. Going slimmer means giving up on big batteries and premium camera setups. Apple's gamble will be whether the appeal of extreme thinness outweighs the compromises for the next generation of buyers. Stay tuned as more leaks and details emerge, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest Apple news and hands-on impressions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.